Alright, got the F-18 from FMS out here again. This will be flight number 3 or attempt number 3. First flight got up, a lot of water vapor coming through, didn't really get off the ground great. Second flight had an issue, it was pilot error, but long story short, it broke the nose off, so I got that glued on. So the field isn't quite as wet as it was on the first flight. So we're going to try it without flaps again and see how she does. I'm going to come down the field here, bear with me. That sun, we're going to have to take us on a east-west course. Alright, here we go. Alright, that was no flaps. And she almost didn't make it off the deck. No wind out here to speak of. Alright, there's no doubt about it. I bought this and the FMS F-130 at the same time. Sorry, it's overhead. And I can definitely tell you the F-130 is a lot faster than this one. I thought it was my imagination, but there is no doubt about it. I'm having to keep this around 80% throttle just to feel comfortable with it. Who knows, maybe I just got a dog. We're flying naked also, no armament at all on it. I've seen a lot of comments where people were saying don't fly with the armament. Sounds like we got 1 minute left.
I got 3 minutes, I gotta leave.
Yeah, I'm gonna come around for a landing on this, see if I can get it down in one piece.
I'm really glad I came out today, though.
Yeah, me too. Gears are down, deployed.
60% chance of rain, you go, forget it. But
yeah, you're right about that.
I did that earlier this year. And Pete came out and you came out and we had a good day flying, I remember that. But every once in a while they really do miss it. You look just like now, okay?
Going around. The deck boss waved him off, Jim.
Is that full power?
No,
You might be if you need your battery goes full power.
Yeah, that's why on DDFs I like trying to set up when you got at least 30 or 40 seconds left in the tank, just in case you don't look good. And again, this is no flaps on it. Better. Way to stick with that one, man. I thought she was going to stall out. Yeah, I was already resigned to the fact it was fixing to do a big cartwheel.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you, Jim, I bought this one and I bought the FMS F-130 at the same time.
Yeah.
I really wanted this one to fly good, and as I like the F-18s. But I got to tell you, this one here is just not doing it for me. It's too heavy. Feel how heavy it is. I need to put it on a scale, but
Oh, that is heavy.
yeah, it's a very heavy plane. And flip it over, let's see the bottom. Didn't get a much grass on it this time, but it's got a ton of water.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one just doesn't do it for me, Jim. I'll probably, I don't know if I'll keep it or not.
You bought new or used it?
No, I bought it new.